Hey everybody, just want to give you a quick review of these vegan Omega-3 DHA EPA gummies for kids or adults. Shows you on the back here, kids 4 to 13, you're only going to take one of these gummies. 14 plus and adults, you're going to take 2 of these. You can take them at the same time, one in the morning, one at night, kind of whatever works for you. Great thing about this, gluten-free, sugar-free, GMO-free, no artificial flavors, any of that. It actually tastes really good. These are the mango orange ones. Kids are going to have no problem taking these. They're just like gummy bears. In our experience, no problem, no fussiness with actually taking these. Great way just to make sure the kids are getting all the nutrients they need. We absolutely love these, highly recommend it. Thanks so much for sending it over.